Hey everyone, it's 7 a.m. in the morning and it's a beautiful morning today, as you can see. From a very long time, I was thinking what video to post. So I thought of posting my morning routine. And it's funny because I don't have a morning routine yet, but I'm adamant of making this new year. So let me take you through my morning routine for today. I'll start my day with having a glass of apple cider vinegar and water. So I am taking water for that, and I'll just make it lukewarm. I'll turn off the gas, and this is the apple cider vinegar that I got from Patanjali. I'll just take a little bit of apple cider vinegar and then I'll pour some water into it, and that's it. And that's my drink of the day. This is the perfect drink to start my day, and let me tell you that it is very sour, but it is good for your health, and especially for if you want to lose weight. Now I'm making tea for my parents, so this is the second time that I'm making tea. So yes, so my both my parents are diabetic, so my father drinks light tea. He doesn't take sugar free or anything sugar, but my mom takes sugar free. So the tea is ready, and yes, as you can see, now I'll do some Zumba because I have recently put on a lot of weight. So I'm thinking of shedding that weight this new year. So this is the new thing that I have started. And I generally do Zumba by seeing the videos, watching the videos, YouTube videos. So I've learned quite a lot. So this is my routine. Now it's time for me to make my breakfast. So I'm peeling the carrots off, and today I'm making masala oats. Oats generally are very lighter, and I like to do light breakfast in the morning. None of us in my family eats a heavy breakfast, so oats is something that goes like, it is the perfect breakfast recipe. Earlier I didn't like oats, but ever since I found this recipe, I have never looked back. It is a fantastic recipe that I'm sharing with you all today. So I have chopped off these side vegetables, that is tomato, ginger, garlic, onion, and all the vegetables, the main vegetables, that is capsicum, carrots, and green beans. So these are the kind of vegetables that go with everything, like almost every recipe that you make. So these are the kind of vegetables you would want to chop and keep it in the refrigerator for the further use. Now you have to take a pan and add some vegetable oil. You can take olive oil. I'm taking soybean refined oil because my olive oil is over. So you have to add cumin seeds into it when the oil is hot. This is also a kind of weight loss recipe that you can go for because it's yummy and it's light. So if you are dieting, this is the perfect recipe. Now add some chopped ginger, garlic, onion, and green chilies, and stir it a little. Wait for the onions to change their color. And once the color is changed, it's time for us to add veggies, the chopped vegetables, that is carrots, capsicum, and green beans. And I'll fry it a little. And the best way to fry it is for you need to just keep it for 2 minutes on medium flame, and it will automatically get fried. So yes, but make sure that you leave it on medium flame and not high flame, otherwise the veggies will get burnt. Now we will add some spices and seasoning. So I'm adding salt as per taste. If you want, you can add red chili powder. I use Kashmiri Lal Mirch because it's not too spicy. It gives a great texture. So I use it usually in all my recipes. Now we will mix all the spices with the veggies nicely. And and some black pepper powder. Black pepper powder is one of my favorite spices, and I usually can't do without black pepper. It is must in all my recipes. So my veggies are almost done. It's almost fried. So it's time for us to add the oats now. So I am using rolled oats, and that I got from Patanjali. So I'm making it for 4 people. That is me, my brother, my mom, and dad. So this much of oats will suffice. So we have to mix the oats nicely with the veggies. So now you can see that the oats are nicely mixed with all the veggies. I have mixed them up. And it's all mixed up. Now we will add some water into it. The quantity of water should be almost 4 cups for 4 people. If you are making, I would suggest that you should adjust it according to the quantity of oats that you are taking and the veggies that you are taking. I'll put some more water into it. At this time you can also check for the salt. If salt is less, you can add it at this point of time. Now to cook it nicely, I'll cover it with a lid and I'll leave it for 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes you can see the water is all soaked up and the oats have become dry. So at this point of time you know that your oats are ready. So I'll just turn off the gas and my oats is ready. So this is my light breakfast, and I hope you like this recipe and do try it out. It is a fantastic recipe to start your day with, and if you like it, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and have a great day all of you.